So hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I have a Shoprite and a Dollar Tree review. I was gonna go someplace else and then I just got too tired. So let's start, shall we? With Angel, she's
right here. Hi.
alright. So this is what I got from Shoprite. Shoprite had a good sale actually. I got 2 things of mayonnaise, Hellmann's mayonnaise, for $7. I'm actually going to try the Heinz mayonnaise, so I'm supposed to get a free sample of the Heinz mayonnaise. I don't know when that's coming. Here, put those in the. Look at me, look at me. That cabinet right there. No, the one next to it. Yep. Then I got the San Giorgio. These were, I want to say these were 88 cents a piece. So that wasn't bad at all. That even beat the dollar store out. And then I got, what's this? I got bananas. Put some bananas here, honey. Put those over there where the fruit goes. We'll put it up as we go. We're both tired. And she wants to retire to the art room. Then I got onions, of course. These right here. Now these were $2.50. I could probably do better in the vegetable store, but I didn't feel like it. And then Shoprite still. I got cheese. This was a Shoprite cheese, and this was cheddar jack, and this was natural cheese, and this was the finely shredded one. I got one. This was the sharp cheddar natural cheese, and this was yellow. I got 2. They were $1.99. And then I got Mexican blend, 3. I thought I got mozzarella. It's probably in the bag somewhere. And then I got some butter. This was $3.99. There was a place, and I could never think of what the name of the place is. I was gonna go where I could do $2 a head on butter, but I just, like I said, I was wiped out. Put these in the cheese drawer. Then you might end up with a Dollar Tree one. Who knows? Oh, here's the mozzarella one. Get the nubby. Did you put it in the drawer? So I got the mozzarella one. Then I got coleslaw. I got strawberries. This was $1.99, I believe. And they're fresh looking strawberries. I like them. I've been trying to grow strawberries for years and haven't done it yet. Put these in the refrigerator as well, along with the tomatoes. I got these. Find someplace, just stick it in for now. I gotta put in the whole refrigerator. Down on the bottom. Gotta pull it out. There you go. Then I got Domino sugar. Now some of them, most of them I had coupons on because everything came to $180 and I paid $120, and I was $30 out because, well, it would have been $30 more except that I had the wrong coupons, but that's okay. And some Domino sugar right on top of there. And then this is what I got. Now these are $1 in the dollar store when you can find them, but these were 88 cents. And I got sriracha. This is the tuna fish pouch. I got herb garlic. I got sweet and spicy, and I got that's not even it. So I got those, and I think I got another one somewhere. put these, when you go to this closet cabinet right there, open it, and you'll see that where they are. You'll see where all the tuna fish is right there. No, not like that. Not like that. They're prodding on the side. Then I got some Aunt Jemima's Original Complete, and I got that. Then I got, for the kids, even though they're going away, they're going to be gone for, well, Angel and her mother and Ari are going until Sunday to Boston, so I got the Kool-Aid drink, and these were $1.99, and I thought that was really good. Put that over there with the sodas from that. Or just put it right there. Yeah, you don't have to put it in right now. Then I got eggs, but they're in the refrigerator. And I got Breyers ice cream, which is also the refrigerator, and 2 bags of chicken wings and 6 bags of vegetables at 99 cents a piece. Then I got some rice. Then now I got a thing. What's up here? Oh, this goes in the refrigerator too. I got some almond milk. I got some Police almond milk. They sent me a coupon for that, so I got this for free. Put that over there. You're the one that put them in front of there.
I know.
Then, oh, here was the other one what I was telling you about. This is the San Giorgio. This again, these were 88 cents a piece. And for some reason or other, I don't know why, but I did not have the coupon for that. And then, this is what I thought I had a coupon for, but I didn't. This was the mug treats, and these are the soft baked chocolate chip cookie mixed with fudge topping. This is one of them. Here, put this up. You know what these go.
No, I take it all of them.
Yeah, do them one at a time like I did. This my husband got. Some kind of cheddar bay biscuit. Oh, from Red Lobster. Then, of course, you know, we got crackers. You know where to put these. These are the Ritz crackers. I got another one of those. They were 2 for $6.
Is the other one for us or Poppy?
One of them for Poppy. Yeah. I got, this is Poppy's. This is one for my husband upstairs in the room. Put it on the stairs. But way away where he won't trip on it. Then I got another mug treat, and this is hot fudge brownie with mixed with fudge toppings. Is this the one that we had before?
It's the best one.
That's the best one so far. Oh, here's my other sun-kissed tuna, and that's ranch. And then, wait a minute. And then this is the Barilla. And this was the roasted garlic. Put that up there. And then, wait. Put that down on the bottom.
Up here?
No. That's what I said. Pay attention. Put that, open up the cabinet. Put the tuna fish over there. And put that down on the bottom. See? Okay. Then I got these sugar cookie. And that's a sugar cookie mix. I got that there. That was $1.99, I think. I forgot. Here. Wait a minute. Then I got, might as well wait because I got this one. Then I got the other one. This is the mug treat. And this is the rainbow chip mixed with rainbow chip frosting. So this is what I got there. Yeah, okay. This is the Dollar Tree. Then I got, from the Dollar Tree, I got Italian ices. Just leave that there. I got some ramen. Let me put that up. I got some bread. You know I got my bread. Still got one in the freezer from this winter, so I'm gonna pull that up and start putting it. I'll start getting my bread again for the winter right about August. I got this. This is the Hunt with no preservatives, and it's $1. So in the same bottle, when I was in the store, was $1. I want to say 99. I think. Here, put that. Not that one. That one. Down in the bottom. Ah.
There's another bottle down there.
Huh?
There's another bottle down there.
Okay, well, we have two then. Okay. Then I got, of course, I got some Jumex. I got two of these, two guava nectar, I believe, and two mango. Yeah, but this is the two guava nectar. And then, eventually I'll get to the Jumex. Pull those up for me, please. Thank you. Got some A&D ointment. Got some slippers for Ari because I got some pink slippers for Ari and I got these for Angel. And then I'm not even going to tell. And then Ari saw Angel's and then cried because she didn't have me like Angel. So now I got her something like Angel. I can't win. And these are, you know what I mean?
Did you see what happened?
Yes, I did. I'm not saying a word. Then I got some Lavoris. You remember the Pucker Power? No, you probably don't remember the Pucker Power commercial. That was probably before most of your time. And then I was surprised but elated because in the dollar store, I just happened to notice that because I'm running out of my refills, that the Spaso milk and honey, okay, they have a refill. Okay, so I'm going to get refills and just fill my bottles up. So, yeah, and then we'll put everything in a bag that goes upstairs. So that's good. So I got my dollar refill. And I got napkins. I got this napkin for my decoupage, and that napkin right there. I thought that was a nice, beautiful shape. And then I got that napkin. Let me turn it around on the back so you can see it. This is not a napkin. These are, what are you doing? Why don't you stop? Redbird, and these are the peppermint, and these are the candy puffs for her sister. Put that away, please. You know where it goes.
Open it and pour it. Pour it in.
I don't think so. I think there's plenty there right now.
Yeah.
So just put it up where it belongs. And I got. Oh, these are your color pencils that are no longer there. Some more Jumex. This is the mango. Put that over there. Got two mango. They're going to be away, so I'm going to console myself in mango. I got myself a vanilla cream, and it's a WBC craft soda, and it's one soda with 100% real sugar. And I got this, so we're going to try. She said it was good. She tried hers already. And then I got some pine sol. That will go upstairs. I'm going to fix the bag with upstairs when I get home. And then I got some pickles. I love these sweet pickles. These are so good. These are the bread and butter chips. Put this over here. And then, okay, those can go upstairs.
This is going upstairs?
Yeah, yes. So put that on the stairs as well. Unless, this is my Shoprite bag. Oh, these are the eggs. And then that's really it. And that's what we did.
Now it's my turn.
Maybe, if you let me finish first. She's in a rush to be a star. Okay, so that it was really fun. I was actually going to go to another store, but like I said, I can't even think of the store's name. By the time I came out to the dollar store, I was like done. So,
okay, all my stuff is in here.
This is stuff that she bought from the dollar store.
So the first thing that I got was some hand sanitizer. Always have to, clean your hands. Even though washing them is better. Say you're in the car and you do something such as blow your nose, and there's no sink around, you need this liquid. So I got that. I also got cream soda. I drink most of it. It's really good. It is vanilla. I also got some Skittles. Most of these snacks are for like my trip tomorrow, but I got the original Skittles, and the flavors are that. I really do like Skittles. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Fourth thing I got, because the fourth thing I got is some Hall's cough drops. Because sometimes, like when I wake up in the morning, I'll have a super sore throat, and whenever I cough,
Remind me to give you a little pap. There's a Kleenex too.
Okay. Whenever I cough or something, it really hurts. So I got these. That way, it goes away a little bit. Then let's see. I have some miniature Kit Kats, and you could see the wrappers of the Kit Kat. Pretty tiny, but they're Kit Kats, and these are really good. I love Kit Kats.
Excuse me.
Next, we have some Hershey Kisses, and I got these for the trip tomorrow, but remember when we were walking down the aisle and there was a Hershey bar that was like this big? It was like this, kind of this big.
Mm-hmm.
And I really wanted it, but I didn't get it.
And the reason why she didn't get it is because if she was thinking that she was going to take that Hershey bar on a trip, she was wrong, because by the time she got it packed and got ready to get in the car, it would be a mud bar. Just a big conglomeration of chocolate melted.
Drum roll, please. We have some Takis. They're really good. Want to try one?
No.
You said they were salty, but they are really hot. But they are really good.
Please.
They're not really hot at all.
Is that it?
I don't know.
Come on. We're waiting.
I do not know where the purple one is, but they're my markers. They said they were scented.
Are they?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, well, okay.
Yep, that is all in my stuff.
That's it. So we're going to put the rest of the stuff away because we were doing it while we were going. And then we're going to retire to the art room. So we might be back. And let's see. I'll have to schedule up. I'm going to start the cooking next week because, like I said, I'm getting them ready and blah, 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 blah. But anyway, moving right along. I love you. Take care. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.